we are going to start new topic, and that is divisibility test. Okay, means what? How to test that a given number is divisible by some means some cases are there, divisibility by 10, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so how to decide that a given number is completely divisible by 10, 5, 2, 3, 6, etc. Okay, so one by one we are going to see all the cases. First of all, first one is divisibility by 10, means how to find that a large number or given number is divisible by 10. Okay, so see here, if at ones place of number, ones place there is 0. Okay, what is there? 0. Then the number is divisible by 10. Then the given number is divisible by 10. See, for example, as I told you, there should be 0 at ones place. See, for example, 30, 400, 550, okay, 2, 3, 4, 9, 6, 0, 0, 3, 5, 2, 0, etc. Now see here, you know this is ones place, this is tens, ones, tens, 100. So this is which place? Ones place, ones place, ones place. This is ones place. So this here it is 0 at ones place, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, if there is 0 at the ones place of any number, so that number is divisible by 10. Okay, this is the test, divisibility test by 10. Okay, in this way you can identify if there is any number, but if there is 0 at its ones place, so it is completely divisible by 10. Now we are going to check the divisibility test by 5. Second, divisibility by 5. So how to check that whether the given number or a given large number is divisible by 5? Okay, completely divisible by 5. So if there is what 0 or 5 at ones place, ones place, then the given number is divisible by 5. See, for example, what I have written here, that if there is any number and if at its ones place value there is 0 or 5, इन दोनों में से कुछ भी, okay, 0 है तो भी या फिर 5 है तो भी, so that number is divisible by 5. See, for example, 35, 440, 65, 655, 545, 1000, etc. Okay, so see here, this is 35, 440, 655. See there, ones place value, there is 5, here it is 0, 5, 5, and here it is 0. So you can conclude here that if there is 5 or 0 at the ones place value, then that number is definitely divisible by 5. तो अब आप सोचेंगे कि अगर 0 है तो पहले हमने डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट देखा था 10 के लिए, उसमें भी था कि अगर सिर्फ ओनली 0 फॉर 10, सिर्फ 0 रहेगा तो वो 10 से डिविजिबल है, लेकिन यहाँ पे फिर से 0 आ गया. तो यस, इफ एनी नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 10, then that number is also divisible by 5, because 5 के लिए भी कंडीशन है 0 है होना चाहिए या फिर 5. तो जैसे कि 1000 अगर 5 से completely divisible है, see this, cut these 5 to the 10 and these 2 0, तो ये completely divisible है. तो ये 1000 अगर यहाँ पे 0 है तो ये 10 से भी divisible है. See this, divided by 10, what will remain? 100. Okay, so keep these things in mind, don't get confused. Now we are going to see third case, and that is divisibility by 2. Okay. So how to decide that whether the given number or given large number is divisible by 2? So see here, if there is what 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, 6 and 8 at the ones place of a given number, ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. See this, if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, ये जो नंबर्स आपको दिख रहे हैं, ओके, इनमें से कोई भी नंबर अगर वंस प्लेस वैल्यू पे है कोई नंबर के, तो वो नंबर कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल होगा 2 से. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, etc. See here, check the ones place value of all these numbers. This is 4, 6, 8, 0 and 2. All these are present at which place value? Ones place value. Okay. So see, this is 100. So see, check this. Ones place value is having 4, 6, 8, 0 and 10, 2. So all these numbers are completely divisible by 2. So इससे आप एक क्या चीज समझ में आती है आपको? इससे हम ये कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि ये हमें पहले से ही क्लियर है कि कोई भी इवन नंबर होता है, कौन सा इवन नंबर, उसके भी वंस प्लेस वैल्यू पे क्या होना चाहिए? हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं इवन नंबर? जिसके वंस प्लेस वैल्यू पे 4, 6, 8, 0 या 2 होता है. ओके, सो दैट इज इवन नंबर. सो इन शॉर्ट यू कैन से दैट एवरी इवन नंबर is divisible by 2. Okay, every even number is divisible by 2. या फिर if there is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at the ones place value, then that number is completely divisible by 2. आप इन numbers को divide करके देखें 2 से, तो ये completely divide हो जाएगी, leaving the remainder 0. So in this way, this is the way how to identify whether the given number is divisible by 2.